New Sterilite 0482000062 Quart Pitcher. Made in the USA. Pivot top spout for pouring. Comfort grip handle for natural pouring. Colors may vary, see swatch image. Sterilite Pitcher. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for couple or small family. Tight lid too. Great little pitcher for my sweet tea or lemonade. It took me a while to find a good, inexpensive, smaller pitcher. I kept thinking I could find one for under $5 for this size, but even in the stores locally they were all $7 to $10, so I decided to just get this one and am glad I did. For those of you making tea, here's some help. For this size pitcher of sweet tea I add 2 cups hot water from my Keurig coffee maker and 5 to 6 Lipton tea bags. Let steep and add sugar, half minus 3/4 cup depending on seeetness you like, and then after about 15 minutes remove tea bags, stir well and add cold water. This pitcher is just right for the 2 and sometimes 3 of us, when daughter's here. I hate making too much as we won't drink it all in or takes up too much room in the fridge, so this pitcher works out perfectly. The lid is tight, so the first few times I had to pull a bit hard to snap it on, but it wasn't difficult. It washes out easily and doesn't need the dishwasher, but you could use it if needed. That's about all I can think of to say. I hope this helps you decide if it's right for you.